resources and allow Communist China access to their markets. The practical effect of this debt trap model is to give Communist China a competitive edge internationally that stems from its preferential access to relatively lower cost commodities needed in the manufacturing process. These commodities range from bauxite, copper, and nickel to rarer commodities such as beryllium, titanium, and rare earth minerals. As a complement to this debt trap gambit and to exploit its commanding share of a wide range of critical raw materials that are essential to the global supply chain and production of high technology and high value-added products, Communist China strategically uses protectionist export restraints, including export quotas and export duties. These export restraints thereby restrict access to raw materials such as rare earth, tungsten, and molybdenum that are essential in the high technology production space. The result is to drive up world prices and thereby put pressure on American and other foreign downstream producers to move their operations, technologies, and jobs to Communist China. American industries that have been affected by Communist China's export restraints range from steel, chemicals, and electric cars to wind turbines, lasers, semiconductors, and refrigerants. Technology forcing policies. Table 6. Extracted from the White House Office of Trade and Manufacturing Policies report on Communist China's economic aggression 21 provides a summary of the various policies the Chinese Communist Party uses to force the transfer of the West's technologies to Communist Chinese soil. Formally, Communist Chinese industrial policy seeks to promote the digestion, absorption, and re-innovation of technologies and intellectual property, IP, from around the world. 22 as noted in Table 6, this policy is carried out, for example, through state-sponsored IP theft, coercive and intrusive regulatory gambits to force technology transfer, typically in exchange for limited access to the Chinese market. Communist China's looting of American technology is further enhanced by information harvesting conducted by Communist Chinese nationals who infiltrate U.S. universities, national laboratories, and other centers of innovation. Strategic sectors targeted by Communist Chinese economic espionage have included electronics, telecommunications, robotics, data services, pharmaceuticals, mobile phone 785 trade services, satellite communications and imagery, and business application software. It has been estimated that the theft of trade secrets alone costs the U.S. between $180 billion and $540 billion annually. 23 closely related to Communist China's espionage campaigns are its state-backed